Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. So today I will be telling you how to overcome fear. Fear could be from anything. Fear of preparation, fear of results which are going to be out in a few days. So definitely students or as a normal human being, we all come across different kinds of fear. So I will be telling you different steps in which you can overcome your fear. Starting with the first one, that is question your fears. Daily I receive queries from students regarding we are fearing the preparation or we are fearing the results. My first question to them is, what is your fear? Right? Question your fears. What are you actually fearing? Simply, you're fearing the failure in results, or you're fearing that you will not prepare and exams will be up and you will not be able to face them. Secondly, make your fear shut up. This is very, very important, that you need to make your fear stop. You need to stop it letting you hamper your preparation or facing the results. It is very, very important that you should not let your fear dominate your mental health or dominate your preparation. Otherwise, it will only have negative impact on you and nothing else, and you will not be able to grow. Thirdly, stop adopting other people's fear. I think as a human being, our own fears are enough to bother us as adopting other people's fear. So stop fearing the failures or stop fearing the stress that other person has faced and thinking like if he or she has faced, I too will face the same. No, everyone is different, everyone's struggle is different, so don't bother or don't stress what other person has faced. Fourth, stop developing new fears. I have heard people talking about fears that are actually in practicality they don't have much to bother, but they are just creating hue and cry out of it. So stop doing that. Stop creating new fears for yourselves. Whatever fear you are living with, that is okay. That is already something to bother about and something to think about, but don't make new fears. Don't develop new fears in your life. The fifth is substitute your fears with opposite positive affirmations. Now, when you face any fear and you think, oh, I may fail, say no, I will not fail, I will pass. If you think that, what if my preparation will not be there? You should be like, no, I will prepare. I will prepare before time and I will revise before time. Affirm such positive things. When you will affirm these things, automatically the fear would be subdued. Sixth is learn to trust the natural flow of events. Now, this is again so important. See, whatever is going to happen will happen. You fear or you don't fear, that is not at all bothering you, right? So it's always good to trust the natural flow of events. You can trust the universe, you can trust the God, whatsoever you rely or trust on, you have to trust that, that power, that whatever will happen will be for your good. So what to fear for? So keep up doing your work, be contented what you're doing. Focus on your preparation, focus on your work. Don't think about anything else. Don't fear about these things and you will actually make it, right? All the best from my side. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet.